All right, so we should have done 3.14 times 29, which gave us, so we have 1763.8, and then this times this is 91.06, and then that's times my radius squared. So just like how we did in the last problem, right? Let's divide by what's next to what we want to solve for, right? So r squared equals 1763.8 divided by 91.06. And that gives us 19.37, we'll say. And then, just like how we did Pythagorean theorem, right? The inverse of squared would be to take the square root. So if we take the square root of 19.37 and we round that to the nearest tenth, we would get that the radius is 4.4 centimeters. Okay? And one thing that I did want to point out that I just realized I made a mistake on, and that's on me, is notice how up here it says this many millimeters, which is equal to that many centimeters. So we actually used this one, the centimeters, just because this is in centimeters. When you're looking at this, we have to have the same unit, right? We can't look at volume if we're using inches and feet, or if we're using centimeters and yards, right? They need to be the same, which is why they told us that second piece, and that's on me. Okay, so I will give you the last problem's answer in the notes that will be on here, but you are going to work on a Savas.